Hello, welcome back to the Active Database series. Well, I'm Cyril James, and today we are diving into the power of logical operators in MySQL. If you have ever needed to filter your data with precision, this episode is for you. We'll be covering the three essential operations, which are AND, OR, and NOT. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to craft queries that can handle complex conditions and with ease. Let's start with the AND operator. The AND operator allows you to combine multiple conditions in a query where all conditions must be true for a record to be included in the result. And up next, we talk about the OR operator. Unlike the AND operator, which requires all conditions to be true, the OR operator allows for any one of the conditions to be true for a record to be included. Now, looking at the NOT operator, which is used to exclude records that match a certain condition. So, with this explanation, let's dive into it and let's see how it works. So, let's just say use CESO Ltd. This is a CESO database because we want to communicate to MySQL that we are using CESO database. You see, use CESO database, and then we want to first start with the AND operator. And then we want to say select from, and we said employee biography graphics, and then we said where age is greater than 60. And you see, for now we are doing multiple conditions. If the age is greater than 60 is one condition, and also gender is equal to female. So you see, now we have inserted two conditions: if the age is greater than 60 and also if the gender is equal to female. So a particular employee must meet both these criteria before his or her name is being returned in the result. Let's just execute it and see. You see, now these are the employees that meet this criteria. Their age is greater than 60 and their gender is female. Now, let's go for the OR operator. So we said OR, we said select, and then we said from employee biography, and then we said where age is greater than 64, or you see, now we have just included one of the conditions. So we said if the individual does not meet the age 64, he must have the gender male. Gender equal to male. Then this is it. So if any employee meets either one of these criteria, it is going to be included in the results. So what you want to do is to highlight and execute. You see, now what MySQL have just done for us, it has selected all the individuals that met either one of these criteria that we have set. You see, that's why we are having more of male and more of male here. So this is it for the OR operator. So we want to explore the next operator, which is the NOT operator. So for the NOT operator, we want to say select star from employee biographics, and then we said where not gender, we said male. So what it's going to do is going to select all the individuals that do not meet this criteria. It is going to select only the ones that met the opposite criteria, which is if gender is female. So we said if the individual gender is not in male, then return the result. So let's just execute it and let us see what it will give us. It is going to give us the female. So you see here, it has given us only the female. If an individual employee have a male gender, it will not return it. So this is the way to use this clause. And here for the last query, I'm going to show you how you can combine the three of them. We said select from, and then we said employee biographics, and then we said where we're going to say not gender. So if the employee have gender male or age greater than 50, let's say 64, and gender equal to female, then give me the result. So you see, this is the way to combine the three of them. I hope it is well understood. Let me execute it, and then you see this is the result. So we said select employee demography where the gender is not male, or age equals to 64 and gender equals to female. So you see, it has returned exactly what we have just asked it to do. And then so you can keep practicing, and then you will get much more familiar with this MySQL queries. Thank you for today.